Dr. Jon Wells. I own and operate with my partner Russ Levitan, Infinite Regenerative Medical Group. Our focus is degenerative joint and spine, so knees, hips, shoulders, spines. We're also doing some exosome therapy and MSC therapy, IVs on people also who are in need of working with some internal issues, pathological issues that they've been plateaued on through general health care and are choosing some of these wellness IVs to improve their health. I got it doing stem cells on patients kind of through an accident that I was involved in myself. I wrecked a motorcycle that put me into ICU for 14 days. It took me about a year and a half to rehab and several surgeries. I ended up with 3 plates and 9 screws in my left shoulder. My job as a chiropractor is a very physical job, and I've picked a lot of physical sports, climbing, and obviously motorcycles. I had several physician friends of mine who were moving into the regenerative medicine model, and via a phone call, one of them, I went in and got some stem cells placed in my left shoulder, took all the pain away, regenerated my shoulder. And it's been 5 years, and the injection was 4 ago, and I still feel amazing. My shoulder's in great shape, and I do whatever I want with it. Being a chiropractor by training, our focus basically is how do we, put longevity to the joints in the body by keeping them aligned when they become misaligned, which in our world is a subluxation. So I just started working on my own body, looking for the effectiveness of it on a clinical level, and is it something I'd want to do with my patients? My outcomes were miraculous, so I just jumped into it and started a whole division, and here we are. Raised in Seattle, and my family, my father was a minister, and so I saw my parents both work and help people who were in transition in their lives, put some purpose to it, and give them some hope and some faith. And so as growing up, I just naturally through matriculation wanted to help people. I always had an interest in medicine and healthcare, and due to a football injury, I was exposed to a chiropractor and realized how much he was helping his community, how much help he'd given me, and went down that road. So I kind of feel like I've been sent here via the window that I was sent through into this family to help people heal and improve their lives. So what gets me excited is doing that every day. I think the thing I love most of all about coming into my practice is the results are instantaneous on most of these people. I see them stand up and go, man, I feel great. And knowing that these people who have been through surgeries or failed surgeries that only lasted so long, don't want to go back in and try to clean stuff up, are getting these regenerative medicine stem cell injections and procedures, and I know within 6 to 8 weeks they're going to feel brand new and feel that way for years to come. Definitely have hundreds of people who we've helped, we've done over 1,000 of these. One of them was an anesthesiologist who had severe degeneration in her knees. She was out of work and had been out of work for probably 5 months. Came in, we did bilateral stem cell injections in her. She came back in about 2 weeks later and said, check me out, I'm doing great. 6 weeks later, she came through and did a dance roll and said, I feel great, I'm going back to work. So we put her off with disability, and she's still doing really well. Being a recipient of stem cells myself, I won't do anything in my clinic to patients that I haven't tried and found it's effective with my own body. I've been an active athlete. I'm going to be 60 here in 3 weeks, so I've had some wear and tear, and so stem cells are going to promote and prolong my life significantly to the point where I'll be able to keep my youth all the way to the last days of my life. So they're here, they're effective, they're great. All your pro athletes are utilizing stem cells, so this is a mainstream thing, and you're only going to see it get bigger and bigger and bigger. The name of the company is Infinite Regenerative Medical Group, and you can find them certainly that way on our Facebook and or our Instagram. If you want to get in contact with us, I'm more than willing to sit down with you in a one-on-one and find out how I can help you. If you have any recent diagnostics, whether they be x-rays or MRIs of your area of concern, bring those in within a year. If you don't, we can order those for you and then go over those with you also.
Okay, quick hits. What's your favorite pizza topping?
I'm a weirdo on the pizza. I kind of like the Canadian bacon pineapple.
That is weird. What is your favorite dessert?
My favorite dessert is carrot cake and a chocolate torte.
What are your favorite hobbies?
My favorite hobbies are to go ski, to go mountain bike, typically with my son nowadays, and anything outdoors where I can, feel the planet's energy and realize how beautiful it is to be alive and be able to move.
One weird habit or one weird quirk about you?
Oh, let's think about that. I've probably got several. I'll tell you what, my kid says I slurp my coffee when it's hot, and I think I pull it through my lips to cool it off by sucking on it. Yeah, I'm sure it's very annoying to hear me slurp my coffee when it's hot to the first 5 minutes, but
What's the slurp sound like though?
Right through the cup.
I love it. That's funny.